Okay, so here we are. It is Wednesday. Yeah, you'll have to forgive the paint and stuff that's on the window. Wednesday, and it's about 1:15 in the afternoon, February 10th. And you can see what we're up against. There is our compressor. There's our deck. There's our icicles. Well, these aren't even the worst of them. The worst are in the front. So, and oh, by the way, that broken tree from the other day, it's right there. That's not looking so bad. Our, that deck rail, the lower coverage was actually clear yesterday, but you can see that the snow on the deck itself is rising up to almost the deck rail, and we're hoping the deck holds up.